don't think gagamitin ulit yun ng Aura. Feeling ko nga nilaro ng hindi naman nilaro ng Aura, pero it in a sense yung, alam mo yung, where else can you put it? Diba? Importante lahat ng mga laban sa MPL, pero if you're gonna be choosing among all matches of MPL, why not put it on your first game? Diba? Why not put it on your first game? And, tapanan yung tigi.
Sabi dito ng Team Execration, laruin na natin ang tunay ito. Ayaw na natin. Kaya pala hindi nila rin pinik yung Yishun Shin. Ayaw mo, hindi hinayaan nilang Maon, yung Cobra. Oh. Okay. Yes, nag-agree ako. Let's take a breather. XE, opening with the Selena. I like it. Sila naman na may vision ngayon. Because I think XE really wants to play the XE way. Diba? Si Chapno, diba? Umintra din siya ng umpisa buff eh. Lumipad siya agad ng perfect match eh.
That's a characterizing playstyle talaga for Chapno.
For any tank, for XE. But man, hindi ko lang alam kung makamove on kaya yung XE dun sa game 1.
No? I mean, wala na yung Diggy. Yun yung for sure. Reset na lang. Kahit ako, di ba sa Tol, na tayo, Manjin Buu tandem na tayo sa main event sa game. Mainit na eh. Tapos biglang may diging ganon. Di ba?
Ibang klase. Okay. Yeah. Alright, moving on.
Okay.
Execration now has the Abyssal Trap and the Popolitica Traps. So, ang dami nilang control within the map. They have the flinch boys na papasok sa dingding. The answer for Aurora is an opening of 2 side lanes, Egord and Tams. Masha ulit. Wow, okay. Masha ulit. So, hindi pa natin nakikita actually yung main plan dito ng Aura, but it seems like gusto nilang lituhin din yung Execration with the Masha split push. The Yishun Shin is banned right now, so ang pinipili na lang nating carries probably is Lancelot, Harit, para kay JP, Kimi. Kasi minsan nirarun pa rin nila yung Kimi kahit na medyo nag-low yung win rate. Ngayon, actually Roger ang binan. So, aabangan natin ngayon yung carry ni JP.
Oo nga kasi parang seminar ang ba yung ginawa ng Execution dito, tuturuan kita mag-link. I want to gamble. I think my call here for this PNK is side lane. Not gonna be the feeling ko iba yung magiging Chapno hero talaga dito. And now Hilda Rafisha. Yan tayo dito. And yung antay natin yung pick na Execution kasi right now they were able to successfully the hyper carries against Aura PH.
Yeah.
Nalak ubos. Yung bias is pwedeng Lancelot. Pwede mag-Lancelot yung Aura. Pero tingnan natin. I mean, we haven't seen JP playing it not much, di ba? Alam natin stick to din si JP on his preferred pick. Preferred
marksman pa din si JP rather than assassins eh, no? Ang main assassin niya is Ling. Well, it shows in the records. Claude is open. I'm not really sure kung ibabalik ba ng Aura PH to kasi na-nerf si Claude and then biglang binuff. Pero hindi pa rin siya kagaya nung dati. But again, it's open for JP to take this. Siya na lang ang hero na hinihintay pero ang dami ngayong sustain sa Exe. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now para sa Exe. Ang daming control para sa Ling. Meron at ang dami yung vision, ang dami yung range na pwedeng makuha dito sa Execration and it's looking bad para sa magiging carry ng Aura. Kailangan nila dito ng yun na nga.
Flexible ng pick ng Execration. Actually, anyone can handle many QT can still handle the Cho. Pwede rin si Chaka kasi nakikita tayo mga teams na nag-roll niyan bilang tank Cho, no? And pwede rin naman talaga na siguro nga gawing main tank yung dito, yung PNK. So, malalaman lang natin yan once we head on to the in-game. But yes, yung reaction doon parang Manjin Hayabusa, yun na lamang din siguro. No? So, Aura Page taking to basics na. Finally, Yung nasa meta na talaga.
Oo.
And
Inaalam ko yung match-up between Hayabusa and Ling eh. Kapag nag-shadow kill yung Hayabusa sa Ling, lilipad lang yung Ling, easy dodge eh. Doon sa Hayabusa. Plus, with extra units of the Popol and Kupa, ayaw ng Hayabusa na may ano eh. May extra unit. So again, I think it's Aura PH playing this on the side lanes. Playing this as the sustain lane. Defend your lane, we win. Defend your lane, we win, and we have the opportunity to steal. But this time, ang daming crowd control sa side ng Execration at ang dami rin nilang damage. If I'm gonna put my vote right now, I would say Execration has the better trap for me. Pero basing on game 1, feeling ko, ewan ko ako iniisip ko pa rin eh. And may pakiramdam lang ako na pwedeng yung momentum ng Exe na na-excite sila nung game 1 biglang nag-lie down dahil nung game 1. So, I think Aura PH comfortable sila sa ganitong lineup. Aura PH ako, Kuya Shin. Ikaw ba?
Actually, even me, I would stick with Aura PH here. Feeling ko masyado. With this classic, PNK and Selena pick no, just to establish great pressure. Pero you can react on it. It's not something na alam mo yun, totally pwede mo kaya na. And ginawa ni KLBJ, kinuha ka agad yung buff, nakasneaky siya. Walang vaccine.
Walang vaccine, pero nakakuha ng first blood si Chakno ha. Si Chakno ang magiging dito. Kuya Shinbu, magiging support Popol and Kupa. Meanwhile, Benny Cutie trying his best to negate this little wonder take. Okay?
Grabe, okay, they're dancing around ha. Goes for greed, andun si Chakno. At Lito Wonder, pangalan pinaglalabanan. Pero, tol, just want to get back. Yung rotation na ni KLBJ, yun na yun. Napakalaking deal breaker na yung kaagad against the Ling.
Kay Ling, oo nga. You want the Ling to have all of the buffs as much as possible under 5 minutes, under the early game. And even though nakakuha yung Exe ng isang kill, lamang na 300 yung Aura because of the buff. Mukhang manggugulo lang si KLBJ dito. Meron pa din na nangyayaring laban sa mid and mukhang lamang dito yung Aura. Ratlesha.
Let's see here. There is gonna be the arrival mula sa side dito ng Aura. Kiluwas, mga kaibigan, biglang pumasok na. At binura, siguro naman dito yung Aso ni Cuba. I think that's it. No, 1-for-1 naman tayo. Finally, we have a very stable game na. And still, ayan, Aura here, despite the obvious strengths ng opposition ng Execration, were able to really get the rotation.
Yes.
And not really give up too much. Despite din the early damage na meron.
Ang Exe, mataas ang early damage ng Exe, pero I think ang hindi rin natin expect dito is the 2-man arrival na meron ang Aura PH Shinbu. Arrival is back, parang binalik nila bigla to. Kanina yung Digio yung hindi natin expect, but this time, ang taas ngayon ng defense potential talaga ng Aura because basta mo kanina yung nag-arrive sa minion, ang isang hero ng Aura PH, they really want to negate the early game push na gustong gawin ng Exe. And we all know that this arrival is mastered by this team. This Aura PH, Exe right now, without the buff na meron ngayon si Kuya Hate, mamaya sa part natin siguro makikita yung gusto nilang mangyari na mambugbog. Kasi look at this, may nakaw na naman.
Yeah. Let us observe, there is gonna be the other steal. Si JP naman nakakuha doon. Fight breaks out. Will talaga lumaban yung Execration, no? Kahit yung mga tips yata medyo wala na. Here comes Kiluwas. Embrace on the Chakno. Really surprised again. Chakno is rolling on a PNK hero here. Sa gitno, dueling up. Lapit dito, flicker out. Doon naman si Eto Max. One shadow na nilabas. And JP here just dancing around. Pero yun na yun. 1-0 and the buff is still taken in by Aura.
Ang dami na nakukuha ng Aura dito. Lito Wanderers plus another turtle and another buff. Napakagandang timing. 2 minutes 43. Nakuha nila yung buff ni Ling. Ibig sabihin, pwersado si Hate pumunta sa baba para makakuha ng farm. Hirap siya ngayon umakyat-akyat sa dingding. Dahil syempre, the best ang purple buff para sa Ling kasi gusto mong maximum uptime yung white bars mo doon sa bottom side. I think for Execration, kailangan nila makapitas. In ngayon na. Parang ganito, Shinbu.
Yes, they have good capacity to actually make it pitas. They have the Selena kaagad, di ba? And they still get the show for it. Ganun na lang. I think divide the Cooper, sa totoo lang, para sa akin sa Execration. Although, Execration is characterized for fights eh. Yeah.
Team fight talaga. Let's okay. Clutch retry na naman. 2 retries for the side of Execration. Nakuha yon ni KLBJ. It's either KLBJ or JP that part. And again, without any purple pop on the link.
Yeah.
Alam mo, mahirap siya mag-juggle eh. And, man,
That's a good recall. That's a good recall mula dun sa ating Gillette instant replay din.
Shin, before the Gillette instant replay, I just want to take note that after na namatay si KLBJ, instant TP si Kuluwa siya top lane kasi he knows that Exec will push it. Babasagin na sana nila yung top kanina, pero with the arrival play again, negating the damage, wala pang nababasag. It seems like in-expect natin na Exe yung magbibigay ng aggressive moves. Pero Aura PH with the objectives and with the defense, walang nababasag yung Exe. Ang dami nilang vision pero parang sila yung natatalo sa pagnakaw eh.
Ito kasi, ito yung aura talaga. Like, expect them to really execute these team fights. Expect them to do it in a very precise manner. Pero, JB, gets called out. Feeling ko maganda to. LBJ will be left for dead on that part. Kasi kapag nawala na yung main damage talaga, pwede ko mabati dito yung execution of the likes of team that will be continue to do. Nahuli pa yung ninja sa dulo. Tapos yun, there goes Grid. Naka-answer din at namatay yung Grid dito. Wala kay Chakno. So, yeah, 2 for 1. Execution naman.
By the way, question, that is a 2-4-2 pala.
2 for 2. Okay, oo.
I think Etomax was down on that part pero kanina pa hinahanap ni Hate sa wakas. Oo, kanina pa hinahanap ni Hate. Grid, kapulado siya dito. Tatama siyang trap.
Yeah.
Okay, makakapay si Etomax. You go.
May mga commitment na mali dito yung ano. Yung aura. Real talk, sana manali execration. Para mag-game 3 kasi parang feeling ko, ano eh, parang dinaya tayo dun sa game 1 lang.
Parang sobrang hype na hype.
Parang hindi counted yung game 1 eh, no?
Pero men, if the game allows it, FPL allows it, di ba? Yun na yun. And again, I like the utilization of the eyeball on lang sa cannon minion. Hindi sa tower, pero sa minion. We've seen the arrival plays na ginagamit pang response, but this time Aura, they just want to negate the push. And
Yes.
si Hate dito, level 7, yung kalaban niya ngayon, level 9.
Yeah.
Ganun, na-delay si Hate. Kanina pa rin nahanap yung opportunity to pick off. Kasi they want to be aggressive. They want to, ayan mo.
That's very punishing. Ganun na talaga. Not just on the link, but all compositions where link is concluded. Ang maganda dito sa Gitnu, no? Naka-blade armor na siya. So, hindi pwede basta-basta din kakalmot dito if you are KLBJ and even if you are a Flesha Kiluwash.
Oo, medyo mahihirapan sila. Kasi ako nag-agree ako si Shin na kapag tumating sa 5-on-5 team fight, I think mas better yung lineup ng Execration. Ang dami nilang control, kailangan nila mabigyan ng space. Etong si kaibigang Hate. Meanwhile, eto Max.
Pero wala, yung mga single pick-ups medyo nakakakuha ng ng lamang yung execution. Like for Benny, hindi nakakuha siya ng sipa. But there is Etomax ka, nadali rin naman ang Aura PH. Medyo lumalayo na tayo ngayon sa 5v5 team fight. So more on talagang, alam mo yun, sakalan ng magkakitaan. Itong dalawang teams natin, whether it's 2v2, whether it's 3v1 or 1v1 even.
Iniisa-isa no? Iniisa-isa ang Aura PH ang Execration na napo-force ang Execration mag-response to the point na may naiiwan na rin na lane, and with the arrivals nga na meron ng Aura, pwede sila mag-TP-TP lang. So ngayon, nandun tayo sa third turtle. Shinbu, agresibo pa rin ang Aura, wala pa nagkakabasagan sa mid, pero look at the gold lead. 2K pa din in their favor. Men, hindi ko na alam Aura giving us something new. This is just a surprise.
Patay natin big break up ng laban dito. Kiluwas sa may pinakagitna. Pinipigilan ni Chakno dito. Kapag pinapadala niya ang kanyang aso, pero Kiluwas sa pinakatira ng Inferno para makasustain. Tumaan naman ang Avatar of Guardian sa may pinakagitna. And that's it sa Gitnu. So kanya malarap damage siya. Magkumatrabaho pa rin si Hate. Maybe can respond. Maybe after dyan, na makuha niya yung kanyang purple buff. Pero tapos na rin ang laban. And everyone will walk away with only JP as the casualty.
Yes, JP going down, Execration eventually, slowly but surely, they want to get the kills and pick-offs. Ngayon pa lang nagkaroon ng endless battle si Hate. Look at the gold right now ng mga side lanes. Kuya Shinbu, 5,700 para kay Kiluwash, Hate 4,500. Mas mayaman pa ngayon si Benny Cutie.
Yeah.
Ganon ka nag-play Hate. Oo.
Benny Cutie was able to, to get consistent pick-offs solo.
Okay.
Doon tayo sa playing side.
Oo nga.
Actually, one of my favorite players from Execution is Benny Cutie. He's really stellar.
Yes.
He made his debut back in season 5 on that
Yes.
show.
Yes, same. Same din ako. Isa sa mga X factors ng side ng Execration. Actually, the Execration is known to have the chemistry as well kapag grind time na, and mukhang gagawin nga nila dito to. Raplesha Polado, pero men, parang hindi pinipilit ng aura yung laban, o parang ang nangyayari is Execration is the one coming in, and then nagre-react yung aura to the point na na-outplay nila yung Exe, napipitas nila yung Exe.
And that's what they're lead by that clear. Pero siguro dahil nakabantay talaga yung Execration onto JP, kasi fundamentally, si JP pa rin naman talaga yung malaking source ng damage dito na pwede
Yes.
ibuga ng aura.
Yes. And hindi ganun kayaman si JP. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 3K lang yung pera niya kanina. At ayun na nga yung sinasabi mo. SSX Factor, Benny Cutie, getting the Way of the Dragon, getting the BOD, and getting the Endless Battle right now. So Exe, ini-stall lang nila yung laban, Shinbu. Magkakadamage din sila later on. Yes.
So mention Benny Cutie has a very consistent KDA here, ha? 204. You know, so hindi biro yung pilit ba to ni Benny Cutie dito. I cannot but feel that he can take on anyone in 1v1 pa. And maybe under the third na ginawa, dito sila hate. Don't for Chakno. Ang inatay may dalawa mismo mula sa Oro PH. Ang talaga ginamit dito mula sa Execration, mga kaibigan, parang ramdam ang isang alta presyon sa mga malnabatok. Habang lumapit dito sa Etomax, he will be destroyed kaagad. And now, there's the member of Oro PH Kiluwas. Time for Sagit no counter at Inferno. Actually, expect na eh. Tapos na lang yung lilikuran niya with slaughterous sights and JP ang bubura dun sa nakatakas na gata.
Arrival. Eto, Shina, kaya ako lost for words. I'm not really sure kung double arrival yon. Kasi, hindi nakikita yung patong ng arrival eh. Kapag sa isang unit ginamit. Oo. So may nag-a-arrival kanina sa bottom. Let's look at the Gillette instant replay. Nandito si Ayun. Tumobol arrival nga.
Double rival, biglang naging dalawa eh, no?
Si Grid at saka si Kiluwash biglang naging dalawa.
So, ganun yung playstyle ng Aura. Divide and conquer na lang. Hindi talaga yung parang obvious yung engagement nila. They fully utilize the arrival just to respond on any aggression ng exec.
Ang except, in-expect kasi nila na we all know that Exe, they want gamol plays. They want sumpukan plays, just like this. And sabi ng Aura, ayaw namin, we have the defense. But again, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Masyadong slow pace ang laban for Exe to handle. No? Parang hindi sila sanay na ganito ka-slow yung nangyayari. But then again, kapag umabot tayo sa scaling in the late game, I am sure enough na ang taas ng damage output ng Exe. Ang nangyayari lang na outwit sila ng Aura eh.
Yeah, it's heavy here. Avatar of Guardian ginamit na dyan. Tapos ang isa pang binagsak, karamihan na espada mula dito sa lane ni Hate na. Ngayon dito makikita natin si JP. Hinabol lang aso. Takbo mga kaibigan. Pero wala na siyang makakabutang lupa. Greed here na sumagot at sumagupa. Last Insanity will be used defensively. And that's the fire missiles to be used. Naging gate kagad bigla yung Selena. Habol kay Chakno. Hindi makakadikit dito. As Kiluwas is also handed on to him. 3-4-2. Beautiful fight coming from these two teams. Sa to lang man, JP.
I really thought that Execration won that fight na, pero man, I think they overextended kasi they underestimated the capability of Kiluwash. Mataas na rin yung damage ni Kiluwash. Execration, they've been winning fights after fights, pero unti-unti nakabawi yung aura, and I think kailangan din nilang i-negate yun. Parang ang nangyayari kasi, yung gigil sila makakil eh. No? Sina Kuya Chakno, parang pwede pa, ganun yung mangyayari to the point na pwede silang ma-outplay. I think, para sa excess, stall sila, pitas ng isa, and then easy out, just like this. Yan, natuto na sila. Huwag na mag-overextend, pwede pa natin mabaliktad tong laban na to.
Yes, actually, ito na yung execution na hindi basta sugod din eh. That's what makes them really good na. Kasi alam mo yun, hindi na sila yung talagang umaasa lang sa action at galaw. And maybe, dahil ka sabi mo, nag-reform execution on someone na marunong huminga, maybe they will be the one who will take a breather and maybe answer properly against Aura. Hurra! Si Kiluwas.
There you go, nag-audition at may EP na nga!
Wow! Yun yung combo niya in section.
Insection eh!
Oo, yun yung kulang yung combo. Ito yung mga players. Kulang po yung pinipindot. Kung naglalaro to ng mga PC games, nagtatab to. Pero hindi tinitingnan yung scoreboard.
Nakailang TP eh, nakasampu ata na TP muna bago nag-Way of the Dragon pabalik.
Oo, sana may damage yun eh. Pero,
Highlight is real. Execration now winning this one from a slow-paced game. Aura PH. Naisa pwede ba yun basta basahin eh, aura eh. Oo eh.
Quick nyo lang kami. Quick na lisay.
Pinagdalisay nyo lang kami.
Lisay nyo lang kami kanina ng
Oo
digi.
eh. Sabi nyo, kung kwek-kwek kayo, sa amin yung malaking, yung ano, yung penoy. Ganito, men, execution, 3 crucial pick-offs from the top, mid, and bottom side.
Yes,
And with
yes.
that, nakuha sila ng space and na-realize na nila na wag na tayo manggigil. After the pick-off, stay in lane and then push. Push out. Taas yung control nila.
Medicute is really good on the show here. With the Medicute, you know, he can kick anyone and it will be a very massive pick up. It will someone will suffer big damage kasi lahat melee eh. Diba? Hirap eh.
Oo.
So,
Ibang klase. Oh my glove. 19 to 13. Sabi dito ng execution, it's time for us to take the Lord. Ayun na nga, isa-isang pumipitas ang exe. Shin, mukhang mangyayari na ang wini-wish natin na game number 3. Aura PSP Glass silang nag-collapse after those 3 crucial pick-offs and nawawalan na sila ng damage output.
yeah, there's a lot of crits for that monster kill already speared by Benecudi. At hindi lang damage output na nawawala. Kahit yung mismong membro talaga. 4 na membro na ang binura, double kill pa, nakuha sa paa dito ni Benecudi. Hindi pala 4, 5, with the 5 out, secured here. And look at Chuckman here with the set here for the top lane inhibitor